We're going to be working on Palkup to Pyojeok Chigi, which is the elbow smash. And as we work on that technique, we want to make sure we once again maintain our power by keeping our alignment. So this technique is a smash, so you're grabbing onto an object or a person or a part of a person and you're driving them into your elbow. So this is the motion. Make sure you know that the palm is where your power is, so that's the part you want to hit, the power of your elbow. Make sure that you're not coming all the way in here. Your fingers need to drop over the side so you can get the best part of the elbow for power. Okay, so as you do that, I want you to just kind of this is just simplified. This is in Ojong in a little bit different situation, but I want you to practice it in a front stance. Okay, so you're here. As you do that, I'm going to come from the belt. You're going to shoot the elbow. The elbow is a strike. So you're going to pull this in so it's a smash, so both targets are moving into each other. So grab and pull and strike. So it's this motion. You want to make sure of a couple things. Number one, make sure that you're not hitting here. Make sure the palm is down so you're hitting on this part of your forearm, okay? Make sure it's parallel with the ground. Don't want to tip up or down, okay? That's really important to know. So as I do this from my front stance, my hand is here. It's going to bend in just a little bit, and then I'm going to strike, and it's going to come in here and pull. You'll notice my hips are going to follow my elbow, okay? Okay? Here we go. Han. Better be doing it with me. Do. Set. Net. Toss it. Yas it. Elbow. Yado. Baho. Hyo. Other side. Right hand's now extended. Remember, fingers have to be tight. Thumb is tucked. As you strike in, fingers go past. Make sure you're balanced. Hand is going to come from your belt and throw into that target. Just like this. Okay? Once again, watch the rotation of the hand, no bend. Straight line, parallel with the ground. Comes back and strikes. Okay, here we go. From the belt. Nice and slow to start. And hana. Do. Set. Net. Pick it up. Toss it. Yas it. Elbow. Yado. Aho. Hyo. Very good. All right, if you have any questions on that, please comment below. Please practice it every day for 2 weeks. Hashtag did it. I want for you to do 20 on each side. Get comfortable. Go 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? That'll be great. We're going to make this nice and strong. In the meantime, also make sure you're really keeping a good, strong front stance, which will help you as you move through your forms. Cheerio. Kunya.